Lesson 6, the integration of rational function, method of partial fraction. Example, integration dx is divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. Then, 1, yung dx natin is papalitan natin ng 1. 1 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. Then, i-factor natin yung x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 1 divided by, i-factor natin to, then x plus 2 times x plus 1. 1 over 3 over x plus 2 times x plus 1 is equals to a divided by x plus 2 plus b times b divided by x plus 1. Then, i-times natin yung factor natin dito. Then, 1 is equals to, ito, bakit to na 1? Kasi cancel to dito. Then, cancel. Then, i-cross multiply natin to. Then, a times x plus 1. A times x plus 1. Then, b. Cross multiply natin. b times x plus 2. Then, nakuha natin ito. Then, kukunin natin para makuha natin ang value ng a and b is 1, let x is equals to negative 1. Saan to nakuha yung negative 1? Dito nakuha. X plus 1 is equals to 0. Then, i-transpose natin. Magiging x is equals to negative 1. Ito na galing yung negative 1. Then, 1 is equals to a, negative 1. I-substitute natin yung negative 1 dito sa x. Then, negative 1 plus 1. Then, plus b times negative 1 plus 2. Then, negative 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Then, negative 1 plus 2 is equals to 1. Then, 1. Then, i-cancel natin yung a times 0 kasi magiging 0 na yan. Then, makukuha natin yung b. 1 is equals to b or b is equals to 1. Then, para makuha natin yung a, then, ganito rin yung ginawa. Then, x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then, x is equals to negative 2. Let x is negative 2. Yung x natin is gagawin natin negative 2. Then, 1 is equals to a times negative 2 plus 1 parenthesis plus close parenthesis plus b times negative 2 plus 2. Then, negative 2 plus 1 is equals to negative 1. Negative 1. Then, negative 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Then, i-cancel natin yung b and 0. Then, magiging yung a natin times negative 1. Para makuha natin yung value ng a is, i-divide natin sa negative 1 para ma-cancel to. Then, a is equals to negative 1. Dahil, 1 divided by negative 1 is equals to negative 1. Then, mag-proceed tayo dito sa i-solve natin na integration. Integral is dx over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Integral, then yung factor natin is x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1. Then, yung negative, may negative dito. Yung negative natin is, yung negative 1 natin is dito nakuha natin a, and the 1 is sa yung nakuha natin sa b. Then, yung negative natin is ilalabas natin dito sa integration. Then, negative integration 1 over x plus 2 dx plus integration 1 over x plus 1 dx, let u, then ikuan natin, then let u is equals to x plus 2, then du plus dx. Let y is x plus 1, then dy is equals to dx. Then, negative integration, then, di ba yung value ng x plus 2 is ginawa nating u. Then, 1 over u du plus integration 1 over y. So, yung y natin is nakuha natin sa x plus 1. Pinalitan natin yung x plus 1 is equals to y. Then dy. Then, negative integration absolute value of x plus 2 absolute value plus integration absolute value of x plus 1 plus c. Ito po yung final answer. Then, let us review first the example of the x divide by x squared plus 3x plus 2. Then, yung dx natin is pinalitan natin ng y. Then, x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 1. Gi-factor natin yung x squared plus 3x plus 2 na naging resulta niya ay x plus 2 times x plus 1 times 1 over x plus 2. X plus 2 times x plus 1 is equals to a over x plus 2 plus b x plus 1. Then, hahanapin natin yung value of a and b. I-times natin yung sa denominator. Then, bakit naging 1 to is times natin dito para makancel to. Nag-cancel, then cancel. Then 1 is equals to a times x plus 1. Cross multiply natin yung a and x plus 1. Then b at x plus 2. Then, naging resulta niya ay 1 is equals to a x plus 1 plus b x 2 plus b. Then, let x is equals to negative 1. Nakuha yung negative 1 dito dahil x plus 1 dito is equals to 0. Then, x is equals to negative 1 kasi transpose yung 1. Then, i-substitute natin yung negative 1 sa mga x dito. Sa x dito. Then, 1 is equals to a times negative 1 plus b times negative 1 plus 2. 1 is equals to x, 1 is equals to a dahil 0, 1, negative 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, then cancel. Then b, negative 2 plus 2 is equals to positive 1. Then b natin is equals to 1. B natin is equals to 1. Then, let x is equals to negative 2. 1 is equals to a times negative 2 plus 1 plus b minus negative 2 plus 2. Then, 1 is equals to a dahil nakuha dito is negative 2 plus 1 is equals to negative 1 plus negative 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Then, cancel yung b. Then, makukuha natin yung a by, di ba, negative 1. Then, makukuha natin yung a, i-divide natin sa negative 1. Negative 1. Then, mag-cancel to. Then, a is equals to negative 1. Then, proceed naman tayo sa solution of integration. Integration is equals to dx over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Integration negative 1, yung negative natin, di ba? Kuha natin dito is a plus b, then proceed to the integration of dx x squared, divide plus x squared plus 3x plus 2. Integration of negative 1, yung negative 1 is nakuha natin sa, nakuha natin a is equals to negative 1. Then yung 1 is nakuha natin sa b na value. Negative 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1. Yung negative natin is ilabas natin sa integration. Negative integration, 1 is equals to x plus 2. Divide x plus 2 dx plus integration 1 over x plus 1 dx. Let u is equals to x plus 2 du is equals to dx. Let y is equals to x plus 2 and dy is equals to dx. Negative integration is 1 over u. Yung x plus 2 natin is ginawa nating u. Then, 1 over u d times dx plus integration of 1 over y. Yung x plus y natin, x plus 1 is ginawa natin y d times dx. The final answer is negative integration absolute value of x plus 1 plus integration absolute value of x plus 1 is equals to c. That's all. Thank you.